All right, this is Mandelbrot PBX version 2. This is meant to integrate office, home, and cell phone networks together for business purposes, allow people to get calls on their cell phones or their desk phones or a variety of the two mixed together. So let's show you what we mean by that. I'm going to start off here's a bunch of phone numbers that I've bought through Twilio. I got this Los Angeles number. It's set up to call my desk in Los Angeles and my cell phone, right? So I'm just going to go back. Now I'm going to dial the phone number. 1-213-221-6374. Now these phones are all configured through Mandelbrot PBX version 2 as well. Now you can see it is calling from my Los Angeles number. And if I answer, at my desk, you see my phone stops ringing. Right? So it's feedback loops, right? So the nice thing about that is you don't have to necessarily have everybody in the same place, which is really important in the days of COVID. And after that, there's a lot of offices that will never go back to having everybody in the same room at the same time. Now, one thing that can be a problem for that is if you make a call, like traditionally, if you make a call to a phone number that's a cell phone, this is set to do not disturb, or if it's on an airplane or somebody ignores the call, then it's going to get a voicemail, and that voicemail is going to be stuck on the cell phone. So if you get on an airplane, it can cause a real problem for everybody else on your phone network. Unless, here, I'll just demonstrate what that looks like when you have that problem. Right? I'm going to turn this down so you can actually hear what happens.
Please wait while we connect your call.
And if I ignore the call,
hey, this is Sully at Mandelbrot LLC. Leave a message at the tone.
Right? So I go to voicemail. Well, what if you have 10 different people that are answering phones for your company and you want to make sure that behavior doesn't happen? Well, the easiest way to do that is with this feature we added called Do Not Disturb Bypass. And what this does is it listens to the first few seconds of the call, and if it hears a voicemail greeting or silence, then it actually just drops the call and lets the other phones keep ringing. So if, however, it hears somebody say hello, it'll connect the call. So let's demonstrate what that looks like. So I'm going to... Okay. So it's going to call both phones. I'll turn this one down a little bit.
Please wait while we connect your call.
So this is going to keep playing. This is what the caller hears. Now I'm going to fake being a voicemail here. You've reached the cellular phone network of 123.
Non-dealing detected. Disconnecting call.
Right? So, but if I answer here, hello?
Connecting to caller.
Okay. So that allows you to have people on distributed phone networks, right? So cell phones, home phones, they don't have to keep continually marking themselves as away in the software. The software just takes care of that for you. So this is only one of many, many really great features that we have in this application. You have things like unified voicemail. You can do conferencing. You can coach calls. You can do different caller IDs, so I don't have to use my private cell phone number in order to make business calls. I can route those calls back to somebody else if I want to. There's a ton of different features on this. It really is just scratching the surface, what I've showed you here today. So if you're interested, give me a call, 312-778-8787. Thanks, bye.